Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayo and I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. I hope you are all fine and doing great. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and remember to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. On today's tutorial, I will be making a Zara scarf. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Thank you. I'll be working with the following items: tape rule, Marco. The size is 18 inches by 3 inches. You can get Marco from those that sell bag and shoe making accessories. If you are unable to get Marco, you can substitute it with a thick wadding instead. You also need your fabric of choice. I use crepe for mine. The size is 50 inches by 26 inches. The 50-inch length is the area that I will wrap around my head and tie into a scarf. You can increase or reduce this. Just make sure that it is long enough to be tied into a scarf. I will also be using paper stone to embellish the scarf. I will also be using two different kinds of fabric scissors. I'll be using this one for the fabric. I'll be using the stronger one for my Marco. I will now fold the Marco into two and knot the center like this. I will also do the same for the fabric. I will fold it into two and notch the center also. So now I have notched the centers of both the Marco and the fabric. The wrong side of my fabric is facing up. Also, I've already drawn out a line of about 4 inches from the edge of my fabric. This is the center line. I will now place my Marco on the line, making sure that the center of my fabric and the Marco align with each other. I will now fold over my fabric to cover the Marco neatly like this. I will take it to my sewing machine and I will stitch on the two ends of the Marco. I won't stitch on the Marco, I will stitch on the fabric alone. I won't stitch all the way to the end so that I can hem the edge of the fabric later on. So now that has been done, the next thing to do is to fold the edge like this, and then I will take it to my sewing machine and stick it in place. I will do the same for the other side too. I will stitch to the end. So now I've done that, I've stitched all the way to the end. So the next thing I will do is to hem my scarf. I will fold the end of the scarf like so, and I'll hem the scarf all the way around. So now I'm done with the hemming. The right side of my scarf is facing up. So with the right side facing up, I will fold over the scarf like this to the wrong side. I will now take it to my sewing machine and I will stitch it down on both ends of the Marco. So now I've done that. This is the wrong side of my scarf and this is the right side. What I intend to do now is to embellish my scarf. I will use paper stone for the embellishment. This embellishment will be ironed on the area where I attach the marco to the scarf. So I will iron it. So now I've embellished the scarf. This is what we have. This is what it looks like now. This is the front of the scarf. What I'll do now is to tie the scarf on the dummy's head so as to show you how to tie the scarf, how to wear the scarf. So that's it guys, we are done. Do you find this video helpful? If yes, do comment down below, smash the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Bye and thank you for watching.